Okay, so we're given 2 points, and we first want to find the slope, then find the equation in point-slope form, and then finally find it in slope-intercept form. So to find the slope, remember, we do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is going to equal, and I'm actually going to make my top part red, right? And so that's going to be 1 minus negative 2. You can think of this as y2 and y1. And so that's going to equal, well, let me erase this and just make it kind of like a little bit shallower. This would be 1 minus negative 2, which is the same thing as saying 1 plus 2 over. And then we'll do this bottom part in green, right? Negative 5 minus negative 1. Negative 5 minus negative 1, which is the same as saying negative 5 plus 1. And when we do this, what we do is we get equal to 3 over negative 6, which is just negative 1/2. And so this is my slope, is negative 1/2, so that would be my part A. All right. For part B, I want to start with y is equal to m times x minus x sub 1 plus y sub 1. So this is my formula for slope-intercept or point-slope form. And now I'm just going to fill in the various parts. So my slope comes here like this, and it becomes negative 1/2 x. And I can choose either point I want. I'm going to go with the first one. It's minus 1, so we do plus 1. Because what I'm doing is I'm bringing this down here like that. And as always, I reverse the sign. So x plus 1. And then on the outside is minus 2. Like that. Now to find and so this is my part B, would be this equation right here. Now for part C, what I do is I take my point slope form and I'm going to distribute my negative 1/2 to these two. And so when I do that, I get y is equal to negative 1/2 x minus 1/2 minus 2, since I've distributed, and y is equal to negative 1/2 x, and I can rewrite negative 2 minus 1/2 minus 4/2, and the way I thought about that is 2 over 1 times 2 over 2. This is my giant 1, right? I multiply by 2 over 2. Let me make this a little bit easier to follow, 2 over 1, and that gives me negative 4 over 2. And then when I combine these, I get y is equal to negative 1/2 x minus 5/2. And I can leave it as an improper fraction. And this is my slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b.